All right, welcome everybody. It's going to be a recap here on my trades for July 26, 2023. First trade of the day, RTY, which is the mini Russell. Went ahead and took a short. It was 97.2 short this morning. Came in around 8:40, 8:45. Held the trade. Finally got out around 9:15. So nice little trade on that before the opening bell. We did have some buys, but I only took the single trade. I did not take the reversal. We did have a buy later on in the day, but I did not take that buy. So I went ahead and just took the one trade on the mini Russell. I'm really trying to keep my trades down to that first trade and maybe two trades at the most. I don't want to stay in more than the first 3 hours of the day. So I start my day around 8 a.m. Eastern time, and I like to wrap it up in about 3 hours. So anyway, that was my trade on the mini Russell, and that was it. Didn't do any gold. Didn't do any natural gas, staying away from those right now. Didn't do anything on the E-mini S&P, staying away from that. And I didn't have anything on the mini NASDAQ, so no trades on that. Had I would have taken the mini NASDAQ trade. So right now I'm just focusing on the mini Russell and the mini NASDAQ, which is on my morning watch list that I put out every morning for our subscribers in our Discord channel. All right, so let's see what we did in the stocks. Had a pretty decent day in stocks as well. Okay, ELWS had a trade fairly early on ELWS. Came in around quarter till 9:45. I did have several targets up here. Had a target that was really close. I didn't go for that. I didn't take it. It just wasn't enough. And I did have some two additional targets there. Never hit it. Once I saw this volume starting to lighten up a little bit, we did see some selling coming in. I went ahead and I got out right here. So didn't take a big loss on ELWS. But I did catch it later on. Let's take a look at that. I had a nice little, what we call an HF3 pattern buy down here. So I went ahead and I bought on the HF3. We did have I had 1, 2, 3 different levels. Once it broke through level 2, I went ahead and I got out as the market was going in my favor. So nice little HF3 buy on that. Got out at the second target. So ended up overall making money on ELWS. And take a look at a really nice trade here that I took as well. And later in the day. All right, here's GRPN. Now, GRPN's been on the radar here for the last few days, so I was really watching this. Finally had an HF1 buy set up, but it didn't come into around 1:30 in the afternoon. I went ahead and I bought it. I did have two levels here. Okay, so held on to this trade for about 2 hours. So this was a trade that when I looked at the book, I see a lot of buy orders coming in. I didn't see a whole lot of selling coming in. So I went ahead and I held this trade for quite a while. Plus my profit targets, pretty wide gap between the two different levels here. So I did have a 773 or this 774, 773. Then I had one up here at 92. Actually ended up getting out at 93. So nice little HF1 buy. Exited once we broke through the second level. Took my profit on GRPN. So, and I did trade others. Did a lot of scalping today. Again, nice little mini Russell trade, 444. And then, of course, you see one on ELWS, 158. Once again, not bad considering that I'm not putting on too heavy of positions on these. PACW was another nice one. AULT, and of course GRPN was the best trade, catching just that beautiful move later in the day. It was fairly quiet. You had this big push here, which was interesting because I never got any buys, but I ended up finally getting an HF1 buy over here, which is fine. And that's what really started to take this thing off. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up for today. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit that like button. That also helps out my channel and also lets me know you want me to continue to do this this morning show. I do the morning show every morning for 30 minutes, so you have a chance to witness my trading. I do call out all my trades, let you know what I'm getting in, what I'm getting out. So I'm very transparent in terms of the way that I trade. Then after the first half an hour, I do go into our Discord channel where my subscribers, we continue to trade. I do have a watch list, comes out every morning. I'll let you know what stocks I'm looking at. Also let you know what commodities, see any commodities that I like, gold, silver, natural gas, those things. And then of course I'm also looking at the indices. I've been trading indices for a long, long time. And usually always have an indice trade somewhere in here. So put that out as well, let you know which ones I'm watching and which ones I just want to stay away from for a while, like the E-mini, and I'm staying away from the mini Dow right now. So, but so that's going to be it. If you'd like more information, you can always visit my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Everybody have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. It's going to be Thursday, favorite day to trade. So I always look forward to Thursday, so hopefully we'll see everybody first thing in the morning. I do start about 30 minutes prior to the opening bell, so please join us. It is free. And then after the opening bell, I do go into Discord. All right. Have a good day.